Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's learn your loan analyzer, like what is the amount of loan that you need to take considering you have your own money or you have a couple of plots that you want to sell and generating those money, what is the amount that you have to take as a loan considering you're buying a plot of land or going for a flat or any other option. And also, let's consider the risk profile, like what is the risk of eligibility for you in terms of low, medium, and high. We'll also consider a couple of other examples as well, like how it would could look if you take 5-year loan, 10, 15, or 20. Without much ado, let's get started. So let's focus on these cells now. So I have three options here. One, with your own savings. Let's take an example. You have 40 lakhs on your hand, which you want to invest. Option two is where you have a plot of land where you want to sell it off. And just for the hypothetical example, I'm considering 40 lakhs here. So in option one, in total you have 40 lakh. Option two, you sold a plot of land and also you have a savings of 40 lakh. That gets to 80. Option three, assuming that you have two plots of land and considering you sell both of them and also with the money you have it on your hand, you get to 120 lakhs. Now, let's get into the risk profile. So, on the column C, what you have is an amount of the total site, plot, or apartment, or anything you want to purchase. And in this example, I've just incremented 10 lakh every as an incremental amount, right from starting from 1 crore, you're going all the way down till 2 crore. So to buy 1 crore of land, you need to make a loan of 60 lakh rupees. And how do I get to 60 lakh? Is 40 lakhs you have in your hand plus 60 lakh get you 100 lakh or 1 crore. In second option, since you already have 80 lakh, all you need to do is you have to take 20 lakh of loan. And if you're already having 120 lakh in your hand, then you don't need to buy or go for a loan. So negative 20 lakh means you already have a surplus. Now, what does this coloring indicate? And the formula is all, as you can see, it's all basically depending on the current plot or the cost of the land or the home minus the amount which you already have. So I've just created a threshold like I'm happy or I'm ready to risk like anything below 60 lakh as a loan amount is a green for me. That means I can go up to 60 lakh if with my own money and I can go up to 1.4 crores if I sell one plot of land. And if I sell all the two plots and also with my savings what I have, I can stretch my loan up to or a property up to 1.8 crore. Isn't that interesting? Now, let's take a look at medium as well. Medium is when you can stretch like 70 to 80 and where you can say like I can push to 1.2 crore where up to 60 lakhs I'm comfortable. 20 lakh is where I need to push. High risk, more than 80 lakh. Let's take this as an example. I have only 40 lakhs of money, but if I'm going for 1.3 crores of property, then it's a risk for me because I'm taking a loan of 90 lakhs. Okay, so this will give you a analysis on what is the amount of property that I need to buy based on the amount or the money availability at different point in time. This risk profile might change depending on the number of years of EMI you are planning to have. Let's take an example of 5 years EMI at 10% interest with the same amount what you have in your hand. If you're going for a loan of 1 crore with 40 lakhs in hand, you might have to pay 1.3 or 1.3 lakh. That's 1 lakh 30,000 every month. And for the same property, if you have 80 lakhs, you have taken 20 lakh of loan, you might have to pay only 42,000. And here it's negative. That means you don't have to pay any EMI because you're already covered here. And when I say EMI, this includes principal and interest. So this basically tells me if I go with 5-year option with my own money, I'm at risk at the beginning of the month or beginning of the analysis itself. Let me jump to 10-year option and let's concentrate only on the first option where I have nothing but only my own money. In this example, as you can see, my risk profile moved from red, that's high risk, to medium risk, wherein in 5-year loan I had to pay 1.3 lakh, where I'm paying only 80,000 per month. Okay, let's say what happens if I move to 15 years. As you can see, if I take 15 years of loan, my EMI is 64,000, which puts me into the better position than 10 years or 5 years. Let's take another example of 20 years. I know it's a long tenure, but this usually a home loan or a property loan we tend to take for 20 years. As soon as I move there, the risk profile is again green for me. The only thing is instead of paying 64,000 a month, I'm going to pay only 58,000 a month. Now, how different is this? Like, how different is this analysis versus the number of years? Now, as you can see, I'm green here with 68,000 of EMI for 20 years, which also tells me or makes me think that I can go up to 1.1 crore having only 40 lakh because I'm paying my EMI for 20 years. So that moved my risk profile from yellow, at 70 lakh, to 68,000. So this analysis will make you feel comfortable and will give you an option to see like, do I need to sell one plot? Do I need to sell both the plots? Or can I take a risk with the money what I have? And all this legend of green, yellow, and red will guide me to understand like what actually I need to do and what is the action I need to take. I know this is a short video. I hope this video is very helpful for you to understand and build your own template to come up with your own financial analysis. Okay. So if you find this video is more interesting and if you want to understand like how this file has been built, I can create a development video of how this Excel file or template needs to be built in my next video. Thank you so much.